Hi, I'm Dylan at Utah Trikes, and today I'm going to show you this Feedback Pro Elite Trike stand. I'm the quality assurance manager here, and I've been a mechanic here for about 2 years as well. So, super adjustable stand. I'm super excited about it. Feedback has really thought this stand through in the design and ease of use, specifically for trikes and hand cycles. It has quick release levers that make for quick and easy adjustment for any model trike, as well as 360-degree rotation, so you're not constantly walking around the trike to get to different areas. So if you're one of those guys that works on your trike yourself or wants to, then this stand is the best stand on the market. I don't know why introductions are so hard. So many words. I have the best words. It's so adjustable. It's so adjustable. It's gonna be so adjustable. Which means your trike can get from us to you quicker. I mean, this is so huge for the trike shot. But this is much better than the first time.